Hey everybody, this is the Dashboard, and this time we're coming to you from the 14th annual Rev It Up car show hosted by the Clay County Cruisers, and this is Car Show Cam. This was a great show. There were almost 300 cars at this show. It was an awesome show. This is some of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Morning.
Morning, sir. Good morning. How you doing?
Just
Good.
fine.
He'll help you up down there at the end there.
All right. I figured as much.
What?
Going down. Going down.
Spectators still already here.
Or something else.
Yeah. Said that.
Pre-register?
No.
Now it's just straight ahead. To the right, you'll see Fred.
All right.
Alrighty, thank you.
You could pre-register?
Yeah. Would have saved $5, but I didn't know we were gonna make it or not.
Yeah.
I never know.
Yeah.
So I don't pre-register.
And there's a lot of cars already here.
Yeah. Got $25.
Yeah.
All right. Morning.
Y'all pre-registered?
No, I'm not.
One of these two gentlemen right here in the green will take care of you.
All right. Good Lord, man.
Yeah, really.
Are we pre-registered?
We are not.
You're not. Then I want you to go up there to Dennis
All right.
and give your money to him.
Morning.
Morning.
You Dennis?
You ready to pay?
I am.
25.
There you go.
And a ticket for you. After you get parked, come around to the registration, which is right on the other side of this building.
Okay.
And we'll get you squared away. Thank you.
Hold on to that.
Yeah, registration's right where it was last year.
Mm-hmm.
Beginning to smell that car. Or was that generator?
Might be that generator.
Damn, that parked in there tight.
They were last time.
Yeah. No, we parked right there last time.
Yep. It is smoking.
Is it?
Yeah. I caught
Okay.
sight of it for a second.
Okay, good.
Kind of loop right around that red truck, and there's some parking spots right there you can back into.
All right.
Not backing into nothing.
I don't see why not. I can park right there.
Well, wait, let's see where they want you.
All right, I'll go right there. Save you some trouble.
Okay, at least that way you can get your scooter out, huh?
I could have got it out where I was at, where I wanted to go.
Yeah, I guess you could have, because you could have.
Extended it right over the curb.
Yeah. Do you need me to get out?
No, I can see.
Okay.
I may have to straighten up. In fact, I am going to have to straighten up.
Well, you ain't got much room to straighten.
It's because of that building I couldn't get it at the right angle.
Yeah. They're gonna be cooking right beside us. Did we get pictures of that one?
Yep.
Okay. Y'all have a good day. So you gonna turn that way?
Yep.
Okay. Watch out for idiot then.
Now them Corvettes are gone.
Yeah. And they didn't stay long either, did they?
No.
I see a lot of people starting to pack up. I didn't know if you were going to be able to get through there. But you could, well. AMC?
Mm-hmm.
AMX? AMZ?
AMX.
AMX. Okay. Oh, see, I didn't know that cone was there.
I did.
Okay.
Yeah. I took mine to 64.
Thank you. Did they add some more?
No.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, those.
Well, there's one that I didn't get.
What?
That one, the Pontiac.
Yeah. You can't get out. Those weren't there earlier,
Yes, they were.
were they?
Yeah. They had to come move them.
Okay. Yeah, maybe we should have went out the other way. But they look like there's a crowd of people there too.
Mm-hmm.
He's gonna ignore us.
Yep.
I can get out and move it. Can we get out and move it?
No.
I can get out and move it. I just ain't gonna put it back.
If you want to. Here you go.
I'm too hot.
Well, we'll get the air going in just a minute.
Mm-hmm. Watch out. Thank you. Mm-hmm. Oh, there's some other ones out here that didn't get in.
Didn't
Didn't
wanna
pay
pay.
the money.
Didn't want to pay.
Yeah. Yep. They got them out here helping today.
Yep.
That's what I need. That's just like an incoming tide, you know? What's up?
Fish the cell phone out of the bag here. I don't know when I'm doing it, but I know I gotta do it. It's on its stand.
Hey you! Yeah, you! If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.